How to make slime. For a fun learning and play activity? Non-Newtonian liquids are fascinating for all ages and provide a great learning opportunity about chemistry. Simple and easy slime recipe. This version of slime, also called gack and glue slime, shows you how to make slime with glue and borax. This is a fast and easy slime recipe. 1. What you need: school glue, white glue, Elmer's glue. 2. What you need: borax, sodium tetraborate. 3. What you need: food coloring, optional. 4. What you need: water in 2 bowls. One step: 1. Pour half cup of the polyvinyl alcohol, PVA, solution into a beaker, jar, or bowl. If you want colored slime, add food coloring to the PVA solution and stir with a stir stick. 2. Step 2. Add 2 teaspoons of the sodium tetraborate, borax, solution into the PVA solution and stir slowly. 3. Step 3. Try lifting some of the solutions with the stir stick and note what happens. Once the slime has formed, you can play with it. Just don't eat it. 4. Completed. Your slime will last longer if you seal it in a plastic bag and keep it in the fridge, otherwise it will dry out or mold. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.